All the villagers were so happily living in the village. Lambu and Tingu was also living with the fun. They were enjoying their life. But one fine night, something wrong happened. All villagers got restless. Jambuan crossed border of the village and coming towards his house. And some weird sounds were coming from the jungle.
What are these strange noises? Haven't heard these before?
He heard a very huge sound, just like some huge is falling. So Jambuan started walking towards it.
Who's there? If you dare, then come out.
Very heavy breeze started flowing, and somebody was riding on a horse towards him, wearing black clothes with a huge hair. Jambuan started getting scared very badly. He started running towards his house. He didn't even turn back to see anything. Next morning, all villagers came together for the village meeting. Jambuan was in very bad condition. But obviously, Lambu and Tingu was also there.
When Jambuan was coming back from the west, he saw someone on the border. As per him, he is saying that we have come here to talk and find a solution to this problem.
Because Tingu is a very smart guy in the village, so he said on it that, I got a question.
Has anyone else seen this kind of thing before?
Immediately Gopal said something on it.
See guys, the west side of the jungle was the places of ghosts. That's what I think. But no one listened to me. I agree with Gopal. That jungle is not safe for us villagers.
Everybody was scared in the village. Jambuan's wife stands up and started saying something immediately. Now you people should start thinking about it. What should we do on it? What is the solution on it? Now if that ghost started troubling us, how we people will go out of the village for the work? Janki was right. Villagers started getting worried. Now what to do on it? But Tingu was thinking something else.
Look, we should search that place first. Someone might be playing a prank on us. Jamvand has seen the ghost with his own eyes. That place is definitely possessed by ghosts if someone like Jamvand is scared, who is fit and healthy.
Tingu, I think you will believe when somebody will die in this village. All villagers were agree with Janki's word. And the senior person of the villager gave his decision.
Look, my dear friends, for the sake of this village, I have thought that after 3 days, Changezi Baba should be called here and find a solution. Until then, this meeting of ours will be adjourned.
Listen to me, Mukhya sir.
Villagers didn't listen to Tingu. Everybody went from there. But Tingu was stuck in Jambuan's case. Lots of questions were going on in his mind. So Lambu said on it,
What are you thinking, Tingu?
This same thought is echoing in my mind again and again, that there was no ghost for so many days. Where did it come from? Something is wrong.
So then, what should we do now?
Come, let's go to the west side of that jungle. Let's see. I'm sure we will find something.
But there is a ghost there. I mean, there's a ghost.
Oh, Lambu. If a ghost sees you at the night, he himself will get scared. And by the way, there is no ghost there.
Both of them, Lambu and Tingu, started walking towards the jungle. It was midnight and all the villagers were scared and sleeping. The jungle was so scary and silent. They reached to the jungle now. Lambu said to Tingu,
Tingu, please think over it again. We are going to the kingdom of that ghost. If that ghost suddenly comes in front of us, then what will we do?
Shut up! Don't make a fuss. Just be little alert and keep your eyes open and stay with me, okay?
It's but obvious that Lambu will get scared in the jungle because jungle was so scary and silent. It was so dark in the jungle. With the help of the light, Lambu and Tingu can see each other. Otherwise, it is not possible to see anything there. It was so dark. Jungle was exactly the way Jambuan describes. It almost half an hour, but they didn't found any ghost there.
Hey Lambu, where did this ghost go? Gone for a holiday?
I am getting so scared. My condition is getting from bad to worse. You're making fun out of this? I'm going. If you want to stay, you stay.
Lambu started walking out of the jungle, but he slept and fell down. Tingu started searching for him. But what did he saw there? Some people were sitting there in a black dress. There was a box with a treasure. And though people were laughing there.
Boss, everybody is scared in the village. Everybody thinks that there is a ghost in the jungle.
Very good. Keep up this state of right so that these innocent villagers don't get to know about the treasure that we have hidden here. They'll never know.
Tingu was listening all this conversation. So Tingu called Lambu.
Lambu, hey, come here. Shh, see there.
Tingu and Lambu both were listening that conversation.
Today's stuff must be around 10 lakhs, right boss?
Hey, not just 10, but 50 lakhs. Just make sure to keep it safe here. Don't let any villager come this side. If anyone dares to come here,
he is dead.
Those thieves started laughing. But they heard Lambu's voice there.
Hey, who is over there? Shankar, go take a look. If it is some villager, then don't leave him alive.
Oh boss, it must be an animal. Let it go.
You just go and take a look.
One of the thieves with a sharp weapon started walking towards
Tingu, now
Lambu.
what should we do?
Why are you getting afraid, Lambu? They are not ghosts. They are just thieves. And what do you mean by what to do? What Lambu and Tingu do to enemies? Beat them!
Lambu and Tingu attacked on the thieves. The thieves gets confused what's going on. As Lambu is very muscular, so he hit all of the thieves very badly. And he tied them with a rope very tightly.
You guys were fooling us innocent villagers and spreading ghost rumors, right?
Now when you get beaten by the police, then you will get to know.
Police arrested all the thieves and took the treasure with them. Next morning, all villagers got a news that Lambu and Tingu arrested the thieves. The senior person of the villager thanks to Lambu and Tingu.
Lambuji, Tinguji, you guys proved that there was no ghost in the jungle. Only thieves were there. We are very proud of you.
Jambu and Janki and Gopal, all the villagers thanked to Lambu and Tingu. But what? At the same time, kid named Ashok came with a newspaper there. Tingu brother, you know, yours and Lambu brother's name is there in newspaper. See this? Tingu start reading the news.
It's written here that government congratulates Lambu and Tingu. They both caught the robber and the treasure. That's why the government announces that a part of the treasure will be given to us as a reward.
Everybody claps for Lambu and Tingu. And the fake ghost story ends up here.